out and come in at the local back room here, so. The whole place not need good condition because of the whole thing you go on, you understand?
Yeah.
And dry food Shannel, she left the baby the man gone from yesterday, but say she soon come back. Never to return.
Jano.
Yeah. I remember said this a week of my little birthday week and so some and me have a man them work man for the with. But let's have a lot for me, but me I hold it, girl. Me not lie.
Hold it,
Yeah.
Cancer,
I hold it.
a real cancer. Make at them a go something there. You have to go clear in one area, make them go and tear down the place and refix it. It go come out good, man.
Yeah, that them are gonna them are tear them. Remember front room, them are take down the wall at the top off of that and deal with that side. So tubes. So we're gonna see this.
Anna, that one?
Hard back.
Anna.
Yeah. Watch out. Yeah, man, him there.
Anna, me have a message just passed you.
Alright. Come here.
Case of tell I.
Okay. I can't.
You know onion so? Me can't eat. Eh? What she said? Me not here.
Where's the Anna? Oh, it's a way with perfumes.
Go inbox.
Our skin nice. Me low.
You must see my way calling. I go play a best at trees here, girl, and take my mind off of them something. I God know. Hello, Chubs. Tell them for double tap a queen. Double tap a queen. Chubs.
Guys, the double tap is cream too.
Okay. Girl, please. Let's beg on some taps. I want to talk about wake him up. Wake up. Oh. Guys, everybody, drop a rose, chat. Everybody, chat. Drop a rose, you know. No way I talk about. Guys, everybody, double tap for me now, please. I beg you. Guys, I beg everybody with some taps. Guys, we soon hit 1 million, you know, with the number 7.
I like this.
The whole company have them nice picking here. Jesus Christ.
Guys, me say you're be here with me at the front today, no? And I work on. I'll be here with me at the front today. Come guys, tap up the screen, guys. Come on.
Cheers.
Good. Come on guys, thanks to the rose, tap up the screen. I love this.
You know by yourself about Alex handsome. Wanna go over there, go tell the man same handsome.
What do I say over there?
Handsome. They must say
Yes, they love you.
yeah, bro. You know by yourself handsome. Like one.
Yeah. Thank you. So now, when it gets reddish, dark red, it's a triple.
One more roll.
I split shoot and a triple.
Come guys, shoot on it.
No, it's not started. Not sure when it starts. Watch. Not show you. Now the other was being good.
Listen guys.
Wait, look. You must start. See that now. So guys, please shoot on the triple.
Shoot on the triple.
Beg us something on the triple, alright?
Beg us something on the triple, guys. Please. Come guys, shoot on the triple. Alex.
You see there? So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the donut. Thank you for the TikTok.
Thanks for the donut. Thanks for the TikTok. Thanks for the another.
That's a TikTok.
I just want to play
That's our emoji. That's a thank you.
Emoji. Thanks.
Yeah, that's a thanks. I give them a gift.
Thank you. Thanks for the TikTok.
Somebody get something there, you get something, you get a cap.
Thanks for the TikTok cap. Thanks for the TikTok cap. Yo, this is go up.
You didn't say I kept again.
Thanks for the donut. Thanks for the TikTok.
Oh, twin and then can't agree and be a fight.
Thanks for the cover.
Tell you, I'm like a twin.
Alright. Come on guys.
I think you are donut.
Thanks for the donut. Thanks for the one donut. Come on guys.
Don't do that. That is a paper crane.
Thanks to the paper clean.
Yeah, it's a paper crane. You get another donut. So the first them here, and this person give you a roll.
Thanks to the rose, thanks to the rose. When you connect some machine.
I say go.
Yeah. Alex, hi baby, hi. Come on guys. We win an idea.
Because it's
Thanks to the rose, thanks to the GG's, thanks to the TikTok. Oh, thanks to the TikTok cap. Who's the next cap?
Oh, baby, up.
Yeah, video bana. Who's the video? We are smoke over here, smoke over here.
Not smoke, man.
Come on guys, come on. Oh, thanks to the. I swear, me don't know what I name there. Alex, you smile. It's a fine time. It's a lovely smile. Alright,